Where this is touching on that back edge, it just wants the back corners rounding off because of the welds. So I've fit like a round over bit in the router, and luckily the bearing goes in between there, which is quite a bit of luck. So if I router that out, I'll take the back edges off and hopefully it'll fit. That seems to fit lovely there. I'll try other piece on. Beautiful. So I think just before we start trying to bend some steel, there's quite a lot to think about. Obviously we've got the notches to notch out, and on this side it wants to go into as far as I can get. I need to round these corners over where the steel's going to bend round, but I'm going to leave them square so I can get a dead mark when I mark the steel up. So as you can see, we've got the same problem with a weld, so I'm just going to have to mark that little bit there and just take a tiny bit more out, just so it sits flat. So I've done that. Like I say, when that piece hits it, I can always mastic that joint anyway. So I'm just going to do a practice piece here just to see where it folds it actually on the line, because I need to allow for when I bend it around the corner, because I'm going to put a radius on, so we'll give it a go. So looking at this, I need to make the line not visible because it bends it like one side of the line. So I've just rounded that edge off just to allow for the curve of the steel where I've bent it. Right, time for the last bend. I'm only going to bend it so much, I think, because if I bend it into a box, obviously I won't be able to get it on. I think we'll go for that. So that seems to fit okay. I think now I just need to maybe get some clamps and just try and manipulate it all in position. So this part here, what I want's forcing in. I think when we come to do it, I'll get another series of G clamps, put a straight edge on, nip them all the way up, and then once the door frame goes in, that should like hold that side, and same the opposite side. So this was just a short video just showing you how my new sheet metal brake performed, which I'm very pleased with it. It seemed to bend everything nice and straight. So what I've learned is just take your time and just a bit of forward thinking before you commit to bend out. But in the meantime now I'm just going to drop back on trailer and bend the last 3 posts ready for the next stage of the project.